we're gonna head outside now. I'm all ready. No gloves on because I gotta control the camera. But let's as I said last year in one of my videos just like this is hope I don't die out here. So let's go. Holy crap! I shoveled this thing literally 10 minutes ago. No joke. You can't tell where the steps form. It's just like you drop straight down into this deep sensation. I'd say that it's a good 30. And then we got here this drift. And then it's really windy. Big section of drift. And then you can't even tell where the driveway is over there. That's just so weird. So yeah, let's try to run over there and take a look at the old beast. Let's hop up and down. And alright. We're right inside here. Go inside the shop. Okay. Oh, almost forgot the light on. There we go. There she is. Nice and clean. There's a blower back there. And there's what we're going to be out in tomorrow. Yeah. And it hasn't even gotten bad yet. So it's going to get way worse. Bigger drifts, so yeah.